Hello. Well, it's day 2, and I'm doing really well, really doing well. I was brave again. I don't know if I said yesterday, but I've taken to, I think when we do something which is really out of our comfort zone, it's a good thing. And even if it's a little thing, you have to start with small steps. So, as this new me, oh my goodness, is progressing, I have for the second day in a row in my shower, I have got into a freezing cold shower. I put it right over to the cold side. Oh my lord, I squealed. I managed 2 seconds. I managed 3 seconds yesterday, so I kind of like, oh, gone backwards, but it was so cold. And then I found that when you put it over to the hot, it gets too hot. So then I was scolded, or scolded even, not scolded. So I had to kind of like adjust it and got it just about right. Anyway, I thought, well, at the end, I'll be really, really good, and I'll put it on to neutral. So that means it's just cold. It's not freezing cold. So I managed that, I'd say probably for 5 seconds. So I think that was pretty good. So we'll see how I do tomorrow. Anyway, I've also looked after my pussycats. I have to look after my pussycats. So I'm going to do one of my little ones all about my pussycats, actually. Well, one each, because they deserve to have one each, really, rather than together. That's a whole other story, and how I look after my cats, and a little bit about them, and how I look after them totally naturally, and I never take them to the vets, and they're really totally and utterly healthy. So what else have I got to tell you? Oh yes, so I've made the intention that I have 4 flights to the top of my house. So, which I'm always going up and down them anyway. And I have committed myself to actually doing it determinedly, yeah? To see if I can actually run all the way up and down twice. Huh? So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to do that in a moment. I did my exercises and I'm in good form. I had my breakfast, which was delicious. It's a variation on one of my porridges. So it's mineral-rich chocolate, which is cacao porridge with turmeric and ginger and all kinds of things in it. So I shall be, sharing those. Maybe I'll share that today, actually, my mineral-rich chocolate porridge. That'd be a nice thing to share. And I'm gearing up to my radio show this week, which will be Holistic Radio UK. And I am going to be talking about turmeric. So I had actually my golden turmeric a drink this morning as well, which I've made myself. And it also has raw honey in it. Yeah. So anyway, that's me. Trusting you are fabulously well as well. Let me know how your I AMs are doing. My I AMs are coming on well. I looked at myself in the mirror this morning and I was looking better already. So I was dead chuffed. How are you doing today? Let me know. Lots of love. Bye.